Hello, classmates and teacher. I am Lady Infante, a student of the UNAD Class English 4. I answered the questions. Number 1, according to point 1 of task 4, I give my opinion on how I see the future of my planet. I consider that technological advancement as being a cause to destroy the integrity ecosystems in the next 30 years. The fresh water will be scarce, food and vegetation will be more expensive. The question number 2, how to mitigate the environmental damage? It's necessary to establish awareness in the new generation with environmental programs that encourages the saving of resources at home, that we can participate in ecological campaigns. Thanks, everyone.